Hi guys, today in this video we'll be exploring 3008, also known as Infinite IKEA. Now,
Googly googly goo, who you are?
wait, I'm in time.
Oh, and if you remember me, I am Smoothie Man.
Wow, nice reference. Bow, 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 bow. Infinite IKEA. Flower time. Flower.
Let's go.
Oh, nice. We landed at the same exact spot.
Ooh.
Only buy during blood moon. Aw.
Oh well, I'm not gonna buy it. Let's go look around. This is so cool. I think I'm gonna take some of these ideas. So I'm gonna look around.
This map is abandoned. There's barely anyone plays this map anymore. Oopsies, he's dead.
I'm alive. I think I'm gonna...
Alright, I played this game on Roblox. I know the perfect place to build. We have to make a sky base. Yeah.
Cotton is allowed in this map, you know that, right?
Mm-hmm.
We just... Come on, let's go build that. Put it somewhere. Put it somewhere.
I'll parkour.
I need this.
Epic parkour montage. It's not even a montage. No. I'm not good at parkour. This isn't even parkour. This is wall climb. No, I'm bad. I told you I'm bad at this. Yeah. Yeah. Cat.
Okay, this is our only source of cotton. We need to go get more of them. Oh, I see one.
Bungo. Where'd he go? What items am I allowed here? Ah, this, okay. Cotton plant! Beep boop boop.
Look around for cotton plants.
Beep boop boop. Beep boop boop. You know, where is IRS? Wink, wink.
He died.
Oh.
We're gonna need to save up on cotton. Also, we need to find all the cotton plants. Look around.
Okay.
Huh.
Where's my dead body? Oh, there he is. Looks like I hit my head.
Smash your pass! Smash!
What?
I'm
I think he died of embarrassment. I just died of embarrassment. I'm not good at this. Operation couch. I love couch. Where we dig?
Bro, there's a yellow couch. There's a banana yellow couch.
Where?
Oh, beautiful. Over here.
Banana! Banana! Yay! Oh, it's our colors! Where'd he go?
Yeah.
Oh.
Scabbies. Scabbies.
Baby! Go apples! Foggy. What was that?
What is that?
Me scary.
It's dark up here. It's dark!
Oh, I feel bad for the viewers. Wait, we should build over there. The viewers can actually see. me scary. Yay! Where'd he go? King. Oh, that's creepy. Did King's headset die again? Yeah, he did. Whew. Wait, that wasn't King. King? Or was it? Yeah, he's King. I'm just trying to mess with my viewers. Why did I sound like a witch? Also, when is the daytime? Yo, bugs. So, I'm gonna stop building. Wow, King's gone. Yeah. Banana. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay. So, we're gonna put up some goals. 1. Survive till a blood moon, because I want more cotton plants. And 2, don't die. And 3, get more subscribers. Okay. When's it daytime? Oh, explosive bugs. Okay, that's lovely. Who remembers this world? I mean, like, who's playing it? Because it was actually pretty popular for a while. Boogity. Oh yeah, you can make you can make balconies like this. I just figured out. What if I made like a game in Yeeps where you're just blind and you have to touch around to figure out where you were? Obviously, I'd have to use cotton, but that one won't work. What's my pain? So, I'm going to do something, because why the heck not? There. I need cotton. Cotton plants are extremely efficient. Alright. So, here's my plan. Have like walls around here. I'm gonna move my cotton plants out here. I'm gonna replace these with walls. The only reason these are here right now is so I can replace them later. And I don't fall off. Bungle. I forgot about this. How dare I forget about my most important possession? Now, are there bugs? Like, do they despawn? I'm pretty sure they do. There has to be a place. I don't need cotton. I have a healthy amount of cotton. Ooh. Only buy during day. Oh, you can buy. Wait, which one? So that. So this. Worth it. I'm going to build a factory of cotton plants. My child, I have to take this. Also, I just failed one of my objectives. Lovely. Please say I did not consume the cotton plant because that was expensive. Lovely. Oh, why do you think you can get? Oh wait, you can for a discount. Well, great, I lost my cotton. I'm gonna take. Never mind. I'm dumb. Dummy dum dum. Oh gosh, Mom. You almost got the cheese touch. The what? Wait, there's a raider! 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 Yoink. Look at it, back at it! What is this? Food. Yum. Oh. What? I walked to the wrong one. I didn't eat it. I didn't not eat the thing. Nope. So up there. It's about to become daytime. Nighttime. Me have to run. Run around at the speed of sound. Okay. So, I've gotten. I just grabbed one of the pants. There. I got this, which is going to. I'm gonna set it up over here to detect if my friend joins. Well, walks up to the base, that is. So, let's start work on the walls. Okay. I'm thinking the floor should be like this. Because it's... Yeah. No. Okay, I have to remove that while I'm working. Go! No! I just realized most of this video is just gonna be me failing miserably at parkour. Go! Oh, that scared me. But wait, I have to see it. Okay, good. Same paint. No. Oh, okay. I don't. Why'd I stop talking? Lovely. I have a problem. Where I just randomly stop talking. Okay. So. I hear bugs. It's lovely. At least bugs can't climb. Or fly. No, bugs can climb. And some bugs can fly, but none of the bugs in this world can fly. Which is nice. Ooh, I hate that. That right there. What the? Bugs are creeping me. Ow. Anyway, calming music. Well, it's not. Whatever. Okay. Tomorrow, get one more. Okay, wait, no. 2 more. No, 3. No, 3. That's cool. 3 more so I can finish a collection, like a little thing. This is creepy. Aye. So, if you're liking the video, you know, like the video. If you like it, I don't know. I'm interested in how many of my viewers have played the Roblox version of Infinite IKEA. Or a game where it's Infinite IKEA in Roblox. Because that's what got me introduced in Infinite IKEA, of course. Yeah. So, I've already failed my missions. Ay. 1 more day, and I'm gonna end the video. Just watch me, like, not end the video when I said I'm gonna end the video. No, I'm going to. Yes. Okay. What's the chance of a blood moon happening? Because they said you can get weapons during the blood moon. And also you get a price on, like a discount on cotton plants, which is lovely. Oh god! Oh. So you can't hear this, but my IRS, my friend, scared me. Ooh. Well, I told my viewers after I finish this day in the world, I'm gonna stop recording. What do you mean, oh no? Doing what? Oh yeah, remember doing the posts. So, yep, Aye. So, IRS, would you like to join us? Well, me. King's off. Oh, okay. So, yes. How many of you have a pet? And if you do, comment down what pet you have. Because I don't know. You can't hear it, but my friend just said because hamburger. Probably one of the best quotes from the video. You know, I wish people could hear the call when you're recording. Wait, there's a setting for that? Oh. Well, my friend just said there is one, but it doesn't work. Lovely. So, viewers, if you know how, please comment. I want you to be able to hear what I'm talking about, because you probably think I'm going mentally insane right now. Alright, I'm gonna grab 2 instead. No, 1. Ooh, soda. Oh. No! No! I died again. No! Okay, lovely. Wow! Oh! Looks like the plant's coming out of my head. A little creepy. He just turned his head. Oh! Rocket ship! Rocket ship! Can't wait to decorate my house. Also, to the person who keeps commenting on my videos, like, are you, by any chance, are you chicken? He's like, on the last video I posted, I don't remember his name, but he said, like, I remember on one of the videos he posted Sigma, the word Sigma. Definitely. But I need confirmation, because if I don't get confirmation, then I can't make jokes about it. I just realized they haven't seen chicken in any of the videos. Okay. So everybody who's getting, I guess the video is gonna go on longer because our rest is gonna join. Okay. I'll prove to all of my viewers that I'm not going insane. Am I schizophrenic? Yeah, try. Oh yeah, viewers, if you're ever lucky, you might be able to see me recording in Chai. Even though I have such a small viewer base that none of my viewers will actually probably want to meet me and be we don't talk about Bruno. Why am I singing that? I blame it all on my brother. He's recently been watching We Don't Talk About Bellows remix. It's like We Don't Talk About Bruno, but you can't close the chocolate chip bag. Sorry. Oh my goodness. I have a brother. What the? Oh.
Where are you?
Oh.
Where you at, bro?
I'm a place down a little.
I can't see nothing.
Yeah, let's just toss him a bunch of obelisks.
Oh, I see you. That's why you get
Obelisk production. Just toss random bull. Oh, I realized that I don't want to get not copyright censored. What the beep? Yeah. Oh wow.
I'm up.
Fast.
I'm up.
Welcome. See, guys. I wasn't going insane.
Yeah.
Maybe I was. Hello?
You killed me. You killed me.
I did? Oops.
Yeah, you broke the block.
Bro. I'm sorry. I was trying to grab one of my bubbles. Where is he? Oh, that's not creepy at all.
No, that's
Why does that gnome have glowing eyes?
Ooh, I'm up.
By the way, do you see that gnome
Hey.
with glowing eyes over there? There's a...
Oh, you're talking about that? No, that's a mannequin.
Oh.
Or that's a guy. You know?
Just absolutely normal.
Yeah. So, any guys, I exist.
Yeah. Yeah, I know he doesn't look like it because he was very small in that video. And he's in a different outfit. But that's the guy who fired all those cannons on me. Also,
Yeah.
if you don't know what I'm talking about,
I'm Cannons
wow.
Go Boom.
That's one of my most popular videos. I don't know how.
Yeah.
Also,
that's
how the
me.
heck do I have 2,500 views on one video? Bro.
I don't know. I think that I'm just built different. They all came to see me.
Yeah. You shouldn't have stopped using your YouTube channel. You should have been posting YouTube shorts instead.
No, bro.
That's where the grind at.
It is not.
See, I'm hip with the kids, as one says.
I'm not good with the grind, bro.
Also, does anybody know what a
where does this
Lububu is?
Oh yeah, I know what a Lubu is.
What is it?
It's like a weird doll with like teeth, with like scary teeth or something.
Okay, I don't know why I've been collecting these cotton plants because I've been at full cotton all this time. All up here. Also, I got a very scary coincidence when King of Cats was here. He was standing right here. I walked up to him and his headset died, so he just disappeared. I'm starting to think I have schizophrenia. Is that how you pronounce it?
Like this, so like this just starts floating in midair.
And then disappears. Yeah.
Yeah. So, wait, okay, so hear me out. So like he was just doing this.
What the? Huh? How'd you do that? What?
I'm back.
Guys, look, he's a witch. Burn the witch.
Art.
What? Oh!
I'm back.
Hey, welcome to Chili's. Also, that's his catchphrase. Every time I go onto a call with him, he just says, "Welcome to Chili's." Well, not every time, but
That is my catchphrase. 9 times out of 10.
Yeah.
That's me.
all right, let's go.
Let's go. Go. Let's. Yo, I got your con plants.
I keep dying to that. That is my enemy. Woo, Christmas. my goal, my new goal is to gather all these little of like holiday stuff. And also a bunch of drums. Okay.
I'll help you achieve that goal.
Yay! Also, man, I hate doing that. Hinge climbing. It's very bad for my back. Ooh. There.
Alright, I'm going down.
Great. I don't have any cut.
Yo, bro, you want a reinforced wall?
What? Oh, he's dead.
I'm back.
Beautiful.
And it's gone, and it's gone.
What?
Oh. I missed.
Anyway, I feel bad because I had a pumpkin, but I died.
Okay, yo, just saying, on the outside of your building.
I got a rare block. Well, not really. It's not that rare, but
Reinforced.
it's rare-ish in this map. Sure, you can buy it, but like.
And then I also got a cotton storage.
Nice. That is rare.
Oh, sick BAM trophy.
Wait, the BAM trophy? Take it.
Oh, and the Star Curator is down here.
Oh my goodness. We're just getting lucky. Well, not lucky. It's just
Oh.
I did not know they were all on this map. Anyway.
I'm back.
Welcome to the upstairs. Welcome to the under.
Hi. Hey, you want to see where everything is?
Yeah.
Hey, come down here.
Sick.
Come down here. Come down here.
Is it gonna be funny?
This drops.
Did you
Yeah.
find the funnies?
No, but I found something to make you feel very dumb.
Okay. Why?
Yo, down here.
Okay. Why are there so many cotton plants over there?
Don't mind that. Anyway.
2 is so many, apparently.
So
okay.
down here.
Yeah. There's a star pillow.
Down here. Oh crap! Nope.
Yeah, no,
Nope.
I'm good.
Nope.
I'm good.
Nope.
I'm good. I'm good. No, yum, 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 yum.
Go. Hey, I'm going across the path.
Bro, be careful. This is terrifying.
Yo, I'm gonna make my. Yo, just saying, I'm gonna make my.
I earned this.
I'm gonna make my house a. Oh wait, no.
Why can't I place
one thing
this?
that you can do? Because it's dark. Just wait. I'm gonna go in college so that they can't.
Okay.
Get me.
Mhm. I need a place to place the star pillow. It's, I don't want to lose it. You go right here. I know it's gonna be despawn, but just to prove that. Wait, prove what? I don't know. Oh, why didn't I do that? I'm gonna paint these glowing so we know exactly where the things are.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna build my house at the other shop, so.
Yeah. Yeah, the signs are really important. Oh, fuck! Stupid! 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 I hate my charger. So, if you guys don't know, I use a computer charger because it's way longer than a normal charger. But also, because I record in my bedroom, it gets hooked on my bed, and then if I, then I have to put it back. Yeah. Do you wait? How will you die? I'll go 100 miles an hour. Little do you know, I'm filled up on gas. Do you wait? How about you die? I'll go 100 miles an hour. And that's all I know. Oh, come on. Run. Ba, 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 ba.
Okay, yo. As soon as it turns day, you go get cotton storages, and I'm gonna try to make a path to every teleporter exit, so that no matter what, we always will spawn up here.
Ah. Why do you need cotton storage?
No, I said you get cotton plants.
Oh, cotton plants,
and then I go get stuff, and then you can bring the cotton plants to my base.
Yep. Factory. Yeah, I'm gonna just...
Yo, bro,
What?
now, mind if I turn this into like an actual path with minecarts?
Minecarts aren't allowed in this.
Oh, really?
Nope. I only use that just for looks.
You know, I kind of made an entire thing for minecarts, but apparently it doesn't.
Yeah.
So I'm sad.
I mean, there might be one in a dispenser, but I highly doubt that since this map is not popular anymore. That's ginormous. Boogity boogity. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
It's fog.
Okay. Yo, you go get cotton plants, I'll start building to teleport.
I'm pretty sure there's a discount because it's a foggy day. There. Oh wait, no, I don't think a discount. Oh, punch up. Day 4 skull emoji. Right. Oh, frick it. I'm gonna salvage some parts specifically, so then I can get stuff. Okay. Lovely. I need like just a 50 more. Come on. Wait, what? Get down there banging on the door of us. Nice. Yoink. Yoinky boinky. We're gonna make a entire sky platform. Take up the entire skies. Yeah. Magic. Eh, eh. Ooh. Alright.
That's all of them.
This is the public farm.
Yeah, I'm gonna start making like a bunch of those.
Alright, yoink. This is basically just exponential growth. Because the more pillow plants you get, the more pillow plants you can afford. Which increases that and then that and then, yeah. Alrighty.
Then let me just get some.
I'm
more gonna go look for a minecart way.
Yeah. I'm bringing these over.
Bonk.
Bam, bam. Banana. Banana. Bop, 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 bop. One more, and I'll afford 2. I'm like I need it, but yeah. I'm gonna let all those grow. Ay, ay, ay. Hi. Welcome to Jellies. Oh, nice! I spawned.
Yeah, isn't it like so good?
I saw a present.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the same place where the BAM trophy and Star Creator is.
We need more. Ah!
Go,
Go, go, go, go, go, go!
Alright, so I got another unbreakable block.
Nice. Those are semi-rare.
You know what next thing
What?
Yeah, no, the next thing that I'm gonna make are going to be unbreakable pillars.
Shoot.
They're just gonna be like spread it out like from
Oh,
the
bugs can destroy
like,
those.
From the Oh yeah, they do.
Wait,
No, but the main enemy is snails.
should we make a museum for all the rare blocks we collect?
I mean, like we could. I'm just gonna paint these glowing neon.
Yeah. Wait, I have idea. Move these back 1. No! No! Sniping! They sniped me! No!
Hey. See, that's why we need unbreakable blocks, so then that can't happen.
That scared me.
Yeah. So first, we're gonna make the all cotton is going to be full. Oh, while it's the night, I might as well just get working on my house.
There. There. Now I can see how far they've grown. That's a cool visual. Nice. Making some rails. About. Alrighty. 5, 9.
No, just remember, there's only one floor block right here. And otherwise you're dead. No, I want it to be, so then okay, so, hear me out, right? This neon for regular things that are breakable, and this neon for non-breakable.
And also, like, important stuff.
Yeah, and importance.
I should get more glowing paints. This is... Oh my lordy. Well, I think I'm going to stop. One sec. I need a judge vote.
Yep.
Yo, should we end? We need a table. 1 sec. Should we end the video?
Okay, so I feel like, you know what you should do? Make it in 2 parts.